Now, there are many other AI tools out there, some of which are almost as good as the one we've mentioned. And for all I know, by the time you watch this, maybe a new version has come out and they're even better. So just sort of briefly mention a few, and then I'm going to go a little bit deeper into one of them. Right? So you have one called Mistral, which is a French one, and it roughly does all the same things as the others, and it's almost as intelligent and good, and it's very close, and it's certainly good enough to use. Similarly, there's Grok from XAI. Very impressive in the sense that it's not a very long time ago that company was even created. In a very short time, they went from not having an AI model at all to having one that was almost as good as the best. Right? There's one called DeepSeek from China, which has, again, sort of came out of left field and had some very impressive new ways of training that made it surprisingly good. I'm going to expect that it will continue to get better as well. We have other large companies that have AI models that you just don't see that much as a standalone model. But for example, Meta, the company behind Facebook, they have their models that are roughly of the same quality as some of the others, but you typically only see them sort of integrated into WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook and some of these things. But you know, that might change, right? Now, these are all actual AI models that have been trained, but I want to mention just one other tool. So there are many AI tools now, which basically is they use one of the, let's say, brains. They're powered by, for example, Meta Llama or Gemini or one of these others, but they're programmed to do something more specific to make it more user-friendly for whatever you're doing, right? But there's one that I think everyone who is a student at least should probably consider, and it's called Perplexity. Perplexity.ai. It is not an AI model, it is a search engine, right? It is a search engine that, in my case and that of most of my students, have taken over completely for Google. Like whenever I need to do some searching, Perplexity would be my first choice over Google. And what it does is that it uses actually uses multiple AI models to think, so that when I say I'm interested in searching for something, I can use natural language instead of keywords to explain what I'm looking for. It will then decide on multiple keywords, search for those, read the results, and based on that give me an output, sort of a short couple of sentences that is the answer to whatever it is that I'm asking for. And it's been rapidly expanding its functionality, and it is free. Same as sort of the others, you can use a free version, you just have to create an account, and you can pay. They typically have some good student offers. You can pay some money and get sort of smarter AI models and more usage of the more advanced functions as well.